There, welcome to my channel. Just gonna make a quick video for you here today talking about strike plates and trim. If you've changed your trim to a 1x4 trim like a lot of people are doing nowadays, it's like a more modern look. It creates a little problem because your door latch is going to want to hit the trim first. See that there? Instead of hitting the strike plate the way it's supposed to. All right, a little easier for me to show you in this view, but if I'm going to close this door, bam, that latch on the lock is going to hit the trim, and eventually it'll leave a black mark right here, and that's going to be ugly, and you don't want to do that to your new trim. So what you're going to want to do is change out this strike plate to a deeper one, which they sell on Amazon, and I'll leave links in the description so you can find that. And I'm going to change it out and show you what it looks like. Okay, before I go ahead and change it, I'm just going to show you the difference here between the two. Let's see how that covers the whole trim. All right, here you can see I put the deeper strike plate on, and I'll show you what happens when you close the door. Bam, latch hits the strike plate first and not the trim. That's what we want to see. Save the trim. All right, I know this was a short video, but if I saved one person's trim today, then it was all worth it. So give me that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.